There's a fun and inexpensive way to decorate your home for Christmas time this time of year just by gathering materials that you can find just outside your door. You need to get a few things from the store. You want to start with some floral foam that you're going to hydrate with water, preferably one in a cage that you can hang. You're going to need some tools like a knife so that you can sharpen the edge of your stems that you're going to stick into the floral foam, and then maybe some floral tape. And if you want to use picks that have the pre-wire, you can use these as well. Next, you want to go out and gather your material. You can use things like southern magnolia, which is a native plant that you can find just about anywhere. You can use pine. It's another great choice. Or you can use Leland cypress. This is a great evergreen choice for making these types of wreaths. And then don't forget about Christmas tree trimmings that you can probably get from most stores selling live Christmas trees. They're trimming these and just throwing them out. They add a wonderful scent to the room that you use this material in. And then you want to add some color or a little interest to it by maybe using some pine cones, or hollies are great this time of year because they have red berries. This is a native Yopon holly with its gorgeous red berries. You just make a cut on the stems that you're going to use so that they'll take up water, and you can either stick this directly in to your floral foam, or you can use a pick, work from north to south, east to west, and then fill in the middle, and you've got yourself a beautiful wreath for Christmas time. For Get It Growing, this is Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.